Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash that like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I know I'm a little bit late, but we here to unbox the Mobula 8 bars. Anyway, we're gonna do this quick unboxing of this Mobula 8. No surprise factor to this unboxing. We're just gonna go right in. Got the bat knife on deck. Just that one little cut. Let's get out here and see what we got. So we got, looks like a sticker, happy model sticker. 2 more happy model stickers. We have some spare parts here, screwdriver. Wow, what's this right here? Oh, an adapter. So we have an XT30 to PH 2.0 adapter. We got some extra props there. We have a prop removal tool. What else we got in here? Okay, so this is the little plug for the interface to access the settings in the camera and all. I think this thing comes with the ant, the run cam ant, I think it is, or is it the Cadix ant? I'm not sure, but I know it's an ant. So this is what it looks like. It is 1 and 2S capable. Looks like it's an all-in-one board as well. All-in-one 2S board. Wow. So this thing is, I imagine it's, let me remove this thing here. We have no instructions manual. This is a bind and fly with express LRS. And so let's get this guy on a scale to see how much it weighs. Really curious how much it weighs, just because of the fact that this thing is an all-in-one board that is 2S capable. 42.17 grams. Wow, so that's pretty light. Oh, for comparison, let's weigh this guy right here. This is 23.23. This is a smaller frame though. I actually have another frame that's comparable to that size. This is only 1S compatible though. 85mm frame as well. 31.35. Okay, so this one is definitely a little heavier. We have these tri-blades on there. Maybe that might be contributing a little bit of the weight. But this frame, it seems like this frame is a little more beefier. I was under the idea that this thing was going to be lighter than that, but it's not. This frame actually feels a little more beefier than this one. As you can see, this one flexes a little more than this one. This one hardly gives any flex. You can flex it, but I guess the amount of pressure that I'm giving this one, I can tell that this one is a lot more flimsier than this one. Definitely going to be a really nice flyer with a nice punch, I'm thinking. That's what I'm guessing. It does have an XT30 on there. So you guys can look forward to a flight of this thing coming soon. Or I forgot to mention it has an extra canopy. So that's awesome. I do have something else that I wanted to try. This little camera here. I haven't thrown this on a build yet. It's boasting 2000 TVL, 2000 TV lines on this cam. So it should be a little more clearer. Flying FPV, it's analog though, but we need all the clarity we can get with analog. This ant seems to be pretty good too. It's 1200 TVL, I think. I'm out here with this thing, Mobula 8. I'm laughing because I had this thing out here already flying it. yesterday, and everything that could have possibly gone wrong did go wrong with the equipment and this thing. So the rates weren't set up to my liking to fly FPV. The little monitor died on me while I was recording, and I did land it before the monitor died on me, but that was only because I couldn't get this thing in the right profile to fly. So now I went in beta flight and hooked everything back up the way it's supposed to be, the way it should be. I didn't have a problem with this thing as far as the Express LRS, because it came already updated to beta flight, beta flight 4.4.2, I believe it was, and so it had Express LRS 3.0 already on there. So I was able to bind it to my T Pro. I don't have a timer set on my T Pro yet. Let's turn the T Pro on and get this thing up in the air. I gotta go to work, y'all. Hopefully things can go better today. Let's get it. I got a GMB 450 out here on it, and I also have this Beta FPV 350 out here just in case. It's 2S, y'all. Let's see. Hopefully everything is okay with it. I don't know. It seems like it got some kind of, what do you call it? Expo on it. Let's try. I forgot to oh yeah, it's not letting me fly it the way I want to fly it, y'all. Sheesh, something's still not right. Let me see. I'm in air mode. When I go in air mode, it doesn't let me flip and do stuff like I want to do it. Sheesh, I can barely control it. It's some kind of expo or something on there, guys. I guess I can't do any tricks or anything. I gotta fly this thing around in angle mode. Yeah, something's really weird with it. When I go in angle mode, it starts acting weird on me. I really gotta go in and reset the PIDs and everything, because I put it on a faster profile, a faster rate profile, and I'm still having problems. When I go in angle mode, it's okay, but when I go in acro or air mode, it acts weird. Let's try it again. Yeah, this guy has some kind of weird expo. It doesn't respond right away. Sheesh. Yeah, I don't know if they set this thing up for beginners or something, but that expo, the high expo, is really weird to me. It makes it not really responsive as I want it to be. So I'm afraid to fly it, guys. This is what happened yesterday too, and I was actually trying to fly it line of sight, and I was having problems flying it line of sight. So you guys know this thing has to be weird if I can't even fly it line of sight. Talking about the expo there. There's a lot of expo here in angle mode too. It's like it doesn't react fast. But I can see that maybe being useful for a beginner. Yeah, I can't even turn around fast. Let me see what the yaw is on. Okay, it'll allow me to yaw if I'm not applying any elevator or aileron, if I'm not going in a direction. As long as I'm not going in a direction, it'll allow me to yaw fast. But when I'm flying forward or to the side or anything, it doesn't allow me to yaw or turn fast. Really weird for me here. Just doing some cruising. I guess we can call this a test flight. Put this down as a test flight. And I thought I was doing something, y'all, in beta flight by copying the rate profile from 3 to 2, because 2 had the super low rate profile and it was acting even weirder than this. And so I just copied rate profile 3 to 2. And we have this. Let's see, we're at 3.4 volts. I think I'm gonna try to bring it in now. Sheesh, I can barely bring it in normally. I didn't adjust the camera to my liking either. The camera angle. Let's see if we can bring it in here. For a landing down in here. Sheesh, I can't even fly the thing line of sight good with all this expo on it. So we're back here. I'm gonna have to do some programming to get this thing to fly like I want it to fly. The Mobula 8, y'all. 2S whoop. A little late, but still great. Thanks for watching.